what are some ways that help you guys remember vocab words? That's where yeah.
Writing text about them in the book.
Writing the definition, writing it out. Okay.
I put the words on flashcards.
Flashcards. That's always really helpful. Pictures. Put your words in your planner. Okay, so today we're going to be doing, like I said, an activity similar to the one you guys do with Miss Wagner. So we're going to do a word. You guys were reading the story about Zlata the goat. Okay. And one of the words in there, it's not on your vocabulary list, but we're going to do it as an example so you know what we're going to be doing today. So one of the words was Hanukkah. Do you guys remember that word?
Yeah.
Okay. So does somebody want to look up for me the definition, the correct definition? That was in the book. Okay, so when you get your vocab word, I want you to write it at the top, and you're going to draw squares like you normally do, okay? And in the top square, we're going to write the definition. In the next box, we're going to write synonyms. Do you guys know what a synonym is?
Yes.
No.
Who can tell me what a synonym is?
Something that means the same.
Yeah, words that mean the same. Okay, so what are some synonyms we can use
Christmas.
for Hanukkah?
Holiday.
Holiday. Good one. Celebration. That's a good one too. What are some other ones? Let's get 3 more.
Christmas.
Christmas.
Scary.
Is that really Hanukkah?
Yeah, it's close.
Famous? Famous? Like a famous holiday? One more. Go
An
ahead.
occasion.
Occasion? Okay. Good. Okay, in the next box we'll draw a picture. So what can we draw to help us remember what Hanukkah is?
Snowman.
A snowman? I'm not an artist, so don't.
Neither was Wagner.
Oh, good. Okay, what else? Let's hear.
The 8 candles.
Yeah. Okay, so in the next box, I think this is what's really different from, well, not really, but you're going to write, instead of writing a sentence using the word like you usually do, we're going to write a sentence of how will I remember this? So you will say, I will remember what Hanukkah is because, or by,
My teacher.
how will we remember, how will you remember Hanukkah?
By the candles.
By the candles. Okay.
I was snowman.
Last week when I was with Zach, he's not here today, but he said he would remember it because it's like the Jewish Christmas. So I will remember Hanukkah because it's like the Jewish Christmas. Is there another way somebody will remember? Go
I
ahead.
read a book about it.
You read a book about it.
That's
Okay.
all I remember.
So, as a class, let's pick one word that you guys want to do up here on the board. What word? Let's talk together as a class. I want all of you to talk to bound.
Yay.
I just need a volunteer to come write the definition. Okay, you had your hand up first. Remind me of your name.
How you did that?
Sarah or
Kim.
Harry.
Aries. Okay.
I don't jump out the window now.
Okay, now we'll get a few volunteers this time.
For what?
Thank you for asking. I appreciate that. So let's think of some synonyms. And when you think of a synonym, raise your hand and then you can come write your synonym on the board. Do you have one? Okay. What was that?
We're tied together with. Yeah, tied together.
Tied together? Yeah.
Like people holding hands.
That's a really good
How about love?
What?
one. Love?
Yeah.
I don't know if that really works for
My
balance.
arm is hurting.
Okay. Well, what are you doing?
I know.
You're stretching out your shirt.
That's where your very seat.
Pencil.
Good job. Okay, you two, what are yours?
Tied together.
Tied together and tucked? Good. Okay, you could come write them. And we'll get two more. Let's hear from somebody who hasn't talked. What about this table? Do you have a synonym for bound? None of you?
I do. It's smart.
Glued.
Glued, that could work. You can come write that up here. What about one of you two? Do you have one? For bound. Stuck, that could work. Do you want to go write that on the board, Chris? Okay, next we'll be doing which box?
Picture.
Picture, good. Who's our artist in here?
Me. Not me.
We have so many
I'm
artists.
such a good artist.
Okay, what's another picture that you want to
I
do?
was gonna do picture arms like this.
With something wrapped around it. Good. So
Mommy.
that's somebody's bound. Okay, when Mateo's done, you could go draw yours. And what's your idea? Shoelaces tied together.
That's hard.
Okay, you want to share your ideas? We'll just have those three.
Dude, that's a perfect
Mateo?
trolley.
You didn't want to do it.
You changed your mind?
No, can I draw?
You can take them
Fine, I'll draw.
Okay, thank
I
you.
want to draw.
Let's hear your ideas, and we'll just do 3 pictures on the page. The last one. Let's just get one volunteer to say how I will remember this.
Oh, never mind. I like drawing.
Mommy. Did everybody
That's how it tied up.
Oh yeah. Like if you're, yep. Okay, do you want to come right down up here? Right in the next box. Say, I will remember bounds. Next, I want you guys to work in your groups. Pick 2 vocabulary words in your group, and just do this again. Okay, with your definition. Think together. What are some synonyms? I want you to think of 3, 4, or 5 synonyms. Okay, is everybody listening?
Yes.
In the back. Table 3. Did you hear what I said?
Where's that kid? I was trying to get it.
Okay,
I did.
let's silence our mouths.
Okay.
Okay, in your groups, pick 2 vocabulary words to do this. When you do your synonyms, I want you to do at least 3, but 5 maximum. Okay, minimum of 3, 5 max. Okay. Then together, think of some pictures you can draw, and then how you'll remember it. Okay. After you do 2 in your group, then the rest of them do by yourself. Sound good? Everybody good? Thumbs up? I only have 1 thumbs up. Thumbs down? Why thumbs down? Are you just joking? Okay. Go ahead and get started. If you have questions, just raise your hand. Say what words are you guys studying? Rapidly.
You can do rapidly. Xander, this girl needs to calm down.
Yeah, you said this one.
This girl.
Like what?
Can you
That
use
is the definition.
Xander.
We'll make sure.
Hyper C.
So no, because that's the definition, it's not. So what are the others? Fast?
Hyper.
Turbo.
I came home.
You guys are doing really well.
Not together.
How are you guys doing?
I remember
What's our definition?
experience.
With known facts, okay, you are in observations. Okay, so that's like, do you understand the definition? Okay, so when you're reading a story, before you get to the end, you think of how it's beautiful. There's going to be these things, I think it's this way because I have these facts right now. These are this. Okay, so we can actually use one of our other vocabulary words for inference. After conclusion. I would love for you.
She taught us very well.
That place with all those